Diki omedo jiwo sir ne Raila Odinga ma olap dhoge ndong' e kom mano mar jakom riwruog pinje Afrika mong'ere kaka AUC koloso e kinde mano yawo ayanga kar chenro mag sirkal kata Huduma Center e gwenge ma ojola e kaunti ma Kisumu. Kindiki ma owacho kanyo ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto siro Raila motegno mar neno ni oyombo e yiero ma ibiro tim tarik 15 dweni. Omedo ni Raila nigi lony mowinjore mar chwalo pinje Afrika e rang'iny mowinjore.
Nchi ya Kenya itaunga mkono kwa dhati ili kiongozi wetu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga akuwe kiongozi wa bara la Afrika kule Addis Ababa. Na kwa sababu hiyo mimi nataka niwaambia kwamba sasa the biggest campaigner wa kutafutia Mheshimiwa Raila hiyo kazi ni William Ruto. The first voter ule atampigia kura ni Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Ule atamobilize the other voters na chief agent wa Mheshimiwa Raila ni Mheshimiwa William Ruto. And we are very confident that our Prime Minister Raila Odinga is going to be the next chairperson of the African Union Commission. He is a qualified Kenyan. He is a qualified Kenyan. He deserves it. And he has the ideology that will take this continent to the next level.